everyone, welcome back to Flame Fed Homestead. My name is Brandon. I found a dip that my kids will actually eat. I'm going to show you how I make it. Let's get started. And we're going to start the prepping process by smashing up some garlic. If you haven't used this fresh peeled garlic before, it's slick. I like to cut off the little nib on the end here. Now comes the fun part, the smashing. Using the side of my blade. Smash. Whoop! I lost some there. Now that we get it all smashed and aromatic-like, we're going to give it a little chop. Make those chunks a little easier to eat. Time to move over to the pan. We got our pan preheating. A little clarified butter for some non-stick action on the cast iron. Ground beef. If you know, you know. Good old mix and chop. Time to add the garlic. Now that we're starting to get it a little bit brown, I'm going to season it up with some sucklebusters saltpeppergarlic. You got it, bud. Thanks, buddy. I think it's about time to move it to the pan. Time to move the beef into our grill pan. Now we're going to add a can of Rotel tomatoes and green chilies. 1 block of cream cheese. And approximately 8 ounces of mild cheddar shredded cheese.
Mommy.
It's a bit snug for this pan, but it'll work. Move that out to the smoker. I'll see you out there. 225 degrees, mesquite pellets. We'll let it sit. Okay, we're 1 hour in. Cheese is melting. We'll get that cream cheese all mixed in. Beautifully incorporated. I think it's time to take it inside. Time for a little taste test. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.